This is Taj English Academy. I am your lecturer, presenter and speaker, Dr. Taj Firdousi. My dear students, ladies and gentlemen, this is part 2 of presentation skills. In my previous part 1 video, I taught you about the background, how you have to go one day before the presentation day to see what's exactly the place is, your background, the presentation background, the stage, the colors and everything, and you have to test and check the audios and the videos and digital boards and everything, and you have to see that everything matches, and after coming over there you have to see that your clothes, your dress color match with the background. That's number 1. The next thing, what's in part 2? In part 2, I'm going to take you first of all, what you prepared already, how you prepared and what exactly. And before that, point number 1, you know the presentation, what you are presenting. You are the only one. Nobody else knows about it. You are the one. So you should know, I told you in the previous video of mine that you have to see who the audience is, their level, because they receive your product, they receive your ideas, they receive your presentation, and you should know whether they are capable of understanding, comprehending your language, your presentation and everything. If they are the speakers, that is, the language of English is little difficult for them. It's not English as the main language or the language spoken there. So if the audience are mixed, then you have to select, you are supposed to give it in English. So what you have to do is, you have to limit yourself, the presentation, how? You have to stretch it slowly. If you want to complete the whole thing, for example, in half an hour, that time you have to extend it to not 30 minutes to 45 minutes. 15 minutes extra for the same 30 minutes. Why? Because you can't speak very fast English and the tempo of your words, the spoken words, for example, generally speaking, it is 120 to 150 words. For example, I am speaking about 150 words. I can even go to 200, 250 words per minute, and finally you can understand that the audience are not in a position to receive. This is the speed. See, slow down this one. If I present this with 120 words, then the audience can listen to everything that you speak about. 120. Still down, 100 words per minute, approximately you take this one. My dear friends, today I am presenting you a new product which our company has produced. It's about converting seawater into soft water instantly. Therefore, this product is not only for the rich people or the middle class, it's for everyone, because he has to, she has to, every person has to live on water. Air, water, food, shelter. These things come in order. The first thing is air. That's not my topic. Water is my topic. You have the sea next to your house. And what kind of water are you drinking? Drinking water, you are digging wells. Sometimes you get salt water, sometimes you get hard water, sometimes you get sweet water. Now, it depends. Only the limited quantity of water in one remote place is not sufficient. So this product is such a simple one, directly taking a pipe and pumping it to a big tank, and it passes through these gadgets for this product of mine, and this tank has got so many filters, and finally you get soft drinking sweet water. Isn't it that attractive? Isn't it that useful? After air is this water. Everyone, from the baby of day 1 to the old man of 100 years, need this. This is my presentation of product. Let us start. See, what I spoke now is about 100 words per minute and spoke slowly, word by word, so that they understand. So what's in today's topic? Today's topic is you have to know, you have to see, you have to know the audience.